How to find your current password and username on Instagram. I will do this tutorial on Android phone, but you can always replicate it on your desktop or your iOS device as well. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, first off, fire off your phone and then go to your Instagram application, and then from there go to the profile button down on the right, and as you can see, my current username is Blackwater1211, and from there you can click the three stripes button, aka the hamburger button, and then choose settings from there, and on the next settings menu just click security and then click saved login info, and from there you can see a checkbox where there's a saved login tick on my current Instagram account. If you want Instagram to save your account info on your device, please make sure you turn it on or you tick it on, whatever. Hence, after you tick it on, every time you log out of the same device, it will always remember your password and credential. So all you need to do if you want to log back in using your current account is just to click your name or your account name. So here's how it works also. So to find your current password, sadly Instagram do not provide your current password in plain text format. So if you want to know, it's sadly impossible for you to know. But if you are really forgetting your current password for this account, at least you can always check our video on forgot password tutorial. I will give you the link on the description below. Next, if you want to change your current password, you can always do so by return to the previous screen and then choose password from it, click it, and then you should provide your current password, your new password, the confirmation of your current password again. And that's pretty much how you figure out your current username and your password on Instagram. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment if you want to have a lot of others topic to cover in this channel. Cheers, take care.